On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Terry, and today I'm going to show you how to use a welder. I want to talk about filling gaps with a weld. You can take two similar pieces of metal. The gap can be wide or it can be narrow. What you want to do is you just want to use logic when you're welding. Say you have a gap that's about 1/8 of an inch. You have two similar thicknesses of material. So basically, when you fill this gap with your material, you want to burn in on each piece of metal as you lay in the filler. I'll be using a MIG welder on this particular weld. So you'll start here, cross over here, bring your puddle back over here, and just kind of stitch it. You can do a horseshoe motion or a circular motion. Now, in this case, on two different thicknesses of metal, you'd want to start your weld over here and build your heat up and let your puddle flow down to here and then quickly jump back up to here to keep your heat on this side. Because obviously if you stayed in the middle, you would eventually generate too much heat out in this area and it would burn through and you'd have a hole.